Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey credit cousins, today I'm bringing a new segment on the channel for my credit cousins looking for additional work and leisure from working at home. I will be sharing common companies that we are consumers of that are offering job opportunities that most of my credit cousins know about. I mentioned on my community tab that I will be shifting the content to topics like increasing your income and free money opportunities as inflation rises. In my opinion, this is not the time to get in debt in high limit credit cards or financial institutions. So if you appreciate the transparency and content, please subscribe and press that notification bell to be one of the first to get the latest. Today we have a virtual work from home job that pays up to $21 per hour with a $2,000 sign-on bonus with one of my favorite companies, American Express. American Express is hiring for a virtual platinum customer care professional. The salary range for this position is $20 to $21.69 per hour. This is a fully remote position. This position is primarily responsible for delivering extraordinary service on inbound calls in a fast-paced, structured customer care environment by following their customer-first philosophy. Consult with credit card members to understand their needs and tailor unique solutions for each customer, reinforcing the benefits of card membership, providing relevant product offers that deepen customer engagement and result in measurable value for their card members. You must continuously improve on key selling skills, including building rapport, understanding customer needs, handling objections, and closing sales. You must address general and account specific customer inquiries, provide clear and concise information, and updating customer account information as needed. You must use the tools and resources to identify custom solutions and anticipate customer needs and their commitment to maintain a first point of contact resolution. You must meet and exceed performance goals that include, but are not limited to, customer survey results, sales rates, quality goals, compliance, regulation, and productivity targets. The minimum requirement for this position will be proven success in a customer service and consultative sales environment, and you must have 2 years plus, but if you have less than 2 years, still apply. With a passion for building customer loyalty through exceptional listening, consultative relationship building, resourcefulness, and strong written and verbal communication, and have the integrity to manage sensitive card member information and adhere to regulatory and compliance guidelines related to servicing and sales practices. You must have a passion for consultative skills, recommending products or solutions tailored to each customer. You must have resilience to efficiently manage a steady stream of customer calls while balancing performance to meet a variety of metrics, effectively manage through change, and remain positive in difficult situations. You must have the ability to adapt communication style to a wide variety of personalities and situations, commitment to implementing feedback as a means to achieving individuals and team performance goals. You must be technical savvy to multitask and navigate through multiple window-based applications, and speed and accuracy. Timeliness and your reliability, as it is imperative you are at work on time and to adhere to schedule each day. So for home equipment setup, you must have a American Express approved provider in your area. If you don't have access, then American Express will also make available a one-time reimbursement of up to $100 for any setup fees that that you have to do with your internet provider. There is a sign-on bonus of $2,000, and to be eligible, the sign-on bonus will be paid to the eligible individuals in 3 installments, such as $500 after 3 months of active employment. The next $500 is after 6 months of active employment, and then the last $1,000 after 12 months of active employment. So all of these positions is posted at designersoapbox.com/jobs. More jobs will always be updated at that link, so make sure you have that link bookmarked for more jobs. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment down below if you are applying for this work from home job. If you know anyone that has been recently unexpectedly laid off or is in need of finding work, please share this video with your friends and family. They will greatly appreciate it, especially during these times. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.